my channel. Good morning, how we doing? This morning I'm just gonna do a quick makeup look because it is Vlogmas. Also, I have to go to work all day, so nothing crazy important is happening today, so I thought I'm gonna do makeup stuff. So, just priming my face first. Honestly, I filmed this this foundation routine like 100 times, so I might just fast forward through it because I did it in my last. Wow, that smells like grapefruit. Ha! How funny. There's pink grapefruit in it. I didn't know that. Fun fact. Wow, that's actually really nice. So I filmed it like a million times. I filmed it 3 times. It's on video. It's on the tube. I'll link it above. But I'm gonna fast forward and then I'm gonna get to my eye makeup routine and then I'll pop back on. Okay, pop back on, face is done. So yeah, that's just my dewy winter tutorial, so I'll link it again above just in case you missed it. But I'm just gonna be using this Tartelette Toasted palette. This is actually on sale, I think at Sephora or Ulta for like half off, it's 20 bucks right now. I'm just gonna be going in with the color S'more. All over the lid. Next color I'm going to take is Candle. It's a little bit more orangey at the bottom. Piece of fuzz on there. And then just to darken it up, I'm going to take the Warmth color right here and just kind of go to my crease, my outer edge, and then work it up to the crease. So after I have that applied, I'm gonna go in with this Flame color. It's like a coppery, darker bronze. It's really fun. And just the other head of this Anastasia brush. Load up my brush. I'll get right up in, there we go. And I'm just gonna apply this all over my lid. And then I'll just take the back end of that brush kind of smoke everything, not smoke everything out, but just blend everything up. And then I'll go back in with a little bit of the darker color of Warmth. And I'm just gonna kind of put it right at the end. And sometimes when you're using a little mirror, you kind of need to step back and see what it looks like, because sometimes it looks a little bit different in here. So once I have all that placed on my eyes, I'm actually going to go in with this Cozy color. It's a little bit darker brown, and I'm just going to go right up on the outer corner of my lash line. And then I'll take that brush again, and any that I put on there, I'm just gonna kind of blend it out. So yeah, that is just gonna be my eyeshadow today. I did my makeup super duper fast. I'm not gonna wear any false lashes today because I really want the eyeshadow. Ooh. I really want the eyeshadow to really speak for itself, which I think it does. So I'm just gonna add some mascara and then I'll pop back on. All right, so that is gonna wrap up my tutorial for Vlogmas Day 3. All right, just a very quick, coppery, smoky-ish eye. And I'll see you in my next video tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, I did my hair real quick. Sorry for this video for being so short and quick, but I have to go to work. Thank you so much for watching, and stay posted for Vlog Day number 4. Woo!